All right, guys, we got a short bed swept line truck. We got a crew cab swept line truck. We got a long bed swept line truck. What Dodge truck from 61 to 71 are we missing? Let's go check it out. I just love that. Got the pretty grill. Yeah, this is a good looking one here. Step side though, that's cool. One of the rockers already cut out there. That's original, ain't they? These older ones look much better actually. 1963 Dodge. I don't even know if they call these ones swept lines because they ain't got the swept line bed. Been sitting for 35 years. Ain't it? Powerhouse right there. That's a big old 600. Plenty of room to work on. Cows in lovely shape. Yeah, rockers. Woo! The floors are up. Get it for a deal. She shows good. She's the easy open. There goes the original bench seat. I'm gonna say it's a little narrow. Looks good in here, though. It's got a big fancy speaker. Dashes in these look so much cooler. Odometer says 60,000. Originally 60,000. What's that? Ooh. Yeah, it's even rusting up there. I might have done a little something, huh? Nice patchwork. That side's probably the same under there. That's 3 on the tree. And both panels are cool. That does it pretty well. What do you all think? She's rough for sure. Looks like somebody started something on it, but it's been for 35 years. That's a second. I mean, tires got air in them. Yeah, these ones are much more stylish for sure. Early 60s. It's got trim on both sides. Yeah, it's got the Dodge lettering. It's a little pitted. So does it have a wood floor? Oh, it does have a wood floor. Yeah, it did have a wood floor. She'll fire right up and drive her home. Somebody did a nice paint job to her. It's really sticking. They have a whole fleet of them. Got their crew cab, got a long bed, got a short bed. Big old fancy bumper on her. Boat trailer taillights.
I've got fenders. I've got doors. I've got cab corners. I don't have a cowl.
You got plenty of parts. I think I need it. Well guys, comment down in the below if you think we should buy this truck, and comment if you think Dad should let me buy it. So it's my truck and I do something with it instead of him flipping it. Anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Look at that beautiful thing.